Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your factory tweeter with our TacoTunes TT65 tweeter in your 2022 and up JBL Tundra A-Pillar. Okay, so first things first, you've got a couple caps right here. You're going to go ahead and remove those with your panel removal tool. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove these two 10mm bolts. Okay, so now that I have both of my bolts removed, I'm going to go ahead and take off the handle. And then starting up here, I'm going to pop it out and be very careful of your windshield. You're going to slowly slide it up and out. Okay, so once you have your A-Pillar removed, your factory harness is connected to your tweeter and there's a tab on the side. Push that and remove it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove my factory JBL tweeter from my A-Pillar. There's going to be 3 clips on the sides. You just want to pop those out very carefully. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my TT65 tweeter in and being very careful not to put any pressure on the silk dome. I'm going to lay it in there. Then I'm going to take my tweeter lock. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure to get the last one in. Now that it's locked in, notice that I make sure to have my tweeter wire coming out through this notch right here. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and plug in my new tweeter wiring to my factory wiring. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide my A-Pillar back into place. I want to make sure this arm slides into the correct notch. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and install my handle back in. Pop that into place, and then with these bolts you want to make sure that you don't cross thread them because they do have Loctite on them. I usually like to make sure I get at least 3 or 4 good turns by hand, and then I know I'm in the right spot. Okay, so now that my bolts are tightened, I'm going to go ahead and put my beauty covers back on, and then repeat the same steps on my driver's side. Now, we are 110% sure that our tweeters fit perfectly in your A-Pillar. We cannot guarantee fitment on any other brand.